A friend of mine offered me to get a couple of beehives and told me that I need to create a base for the beehive, and this is the idea that came out. This is 2 cinder blocks. They are trapezoid, wider on the bottom, narrow on the top. So I created this 4 planks like this. This will keep the distance between the cinder blocks, and on top I'm going to screw 2 bases to each bottom part. I'll show you when it's done. After talking to Matt, the friend of mine who consulted me on length and the width of the base, I decided to put them side by side, and in general combined length, the width is a 16 inch and the length 22. So on the bottom, this piece would be screwed inside to the top, and actually if you don't come close to the side, you can move and make it wider if you need to, or put it closer. That's it. So the most important measurement is the top portion. So just put the block and make sure both pieces are flat, because this is where they're going to be screwed to the base. Here I make 2 marks, make sure that that's where the plank sits, so the blade won't go farther than this point. Those marks can be later erased with alcohol. The sides would be cut on this bench saw, so these holes would help you to get rid of the pieces without flipping. Okay, so this is how it worked out. These 2 pieces, they attached here. You cannot push them more in, but you can spread them out if you need to, and make wider or narrower also if needed. So when they close to each other, it's about 13.5. Or you can spread them to about 16. And that's it. Sun goes up right there. So this is centered, and need to move a little bit down this side. Okay, so 1, 2.